සුගතෝ ලෝකවිදෝ අනුත්තරෝ පුරිස ධම්මසාරති සත්තා දේව මනුස්සානං බුද්ධෝ භගවාති ඉතිපිසෝ භගවා අරහං සම්මා සම්බුද්ධෝ විද්‍යාචරණ සම්පන්නෝ සුගතෝ ලෝකවිදෝ අනුත්තරෝ පුරිස ධම්මසාරති සත්තා දේව මනුස්සානං බුද්ධෝ භගවාති ඉතිපිසෝ භගවා අරහං සම්මා සම්බුද්ධෝ විද්‍යාචරණ සම්පන්නෝ සුගතෝ ලෝකවිදෝ අනුත්තරෝ පුරිස ධම්මසාරති සත්තා දේව මනුස්සානං බුද්ධෝ භගවාති සාදු සාදු සාදු.
Respected relatives, dear friends, and everyone gathered here today. I don't know I can do it or not. On behalf of my mother, my sister, and our entire family, I would like to thank you all for being here today to remember and honor our beloved Apache. It is hard to believe that 3 months already passed since left us, yet for us it is still feel like yesterday. Not a single day has gone by without thinking about him. Not a single day has gone by without talking about him. I just wanted to know, some of you already know him and associated with him, but most of you guys don't know about him, so I just wanted to say a few words about him. If there's one thing I can say about my father, this is he lived a life full of love. He loved his family, he loved helping others, he loved his village, he loved his temple, and he loved life itself. So, every year, months before Sinhala New Year, my Apache would travel to Colombo, and he never bought clothes only for his own children. He bought clothes for the entire family and often members of extended family as well. Seeing others happy brought him genuinely joy. So together with our mother, he gave us confidence, freedom, and unconditional love. Food was another way he expressed that love. When Apache got banana, he never bought a bunch. He bought whole stem. He never bought food in grams. He bought food in kilos. Because in his mind, there was always enough to share. He loved cooking and he was enjoying, giving that to people who were hungry, and he was like, generosity was simple who he was. My mother lovingly called him Vesantara because he gave without expecting anything in return. Throughout his life, he donated acres of lands, acres of paddy fields, helped families in need, and quietly supported countless people. One family even lived in his house free of charge for even 17 years up to now. He never measured his life by what he could keep. He measured life with what he could give. So I want everyone to know that he was like the most generous person I've ever known. His love knew no limits. So our family home stood beside the village temple, and the temple was always part of our lives. As he uh, as he grew older, especially after retirement, his devotion to the temple became even stronger. He cared for the monks as though they were a member of our own family. If there was no dana at temple, he would personally prepare food and take it there. He never wanted monk to worry about even a single meal. One of his final acts of service was helping with major renovation project at the temple. Sadly, he passed away just 2 weeks before its opening. But thanks to the generosity of my family, friends, and remaining work was completed. The temple was repainted and the entire temple ground was illuminated. Even after his passing, it felt that through his hands was still helping the temple he loved so much. Apache also had a deep love for nature. He loved lots of flowers. That is why I'm always, when he's there, flowers are there always. After his retirement, he had and my mom started a flower nursery together. What became a hobby became a labor of love. Our home became a little paradise filled with flowers, fruit trees, colorful leaves, and bird songs. Wherever Apache lived, life flourished around him. I want to share this one, I don't want to drag it longer, but one memory always makes me smile through my tears. Before Mahesh and I got married, Mahesh would call and say, I'm coming to see you. 10 minutes would pass, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, he's not there. And I would go outside looking for him and see him, his motorbike is already in front of our house. I don't know where he is. So I would call him, only to hear his phone is ringing back of our house. So I would call, when I walk around there they were. Mahesh and Apache sitting together, chatting away and enjoying each other's company. By the time Mahesh came to see me, he had already spent half his visit with Apache. There was never traditional father-in-law and son-in-law relationship between them. It's only son and father relationship was there. Sometimes I look at you and I see my Apache in you. Thank you very much for that. So he left this world surrounded by love after spending his final days doing exactly what he loved the most, giving, serving, and bringing joy to others. Many monks who attended his funeral said the same word. Pina balavat means a passing blessed by the strength of great merit. There's something else that feels both heartbreaking and beautiful. On the very same day Apache passed away, I was here at this temple with our dear friends offering almsgiving to Silatha. After the almsgiving, we returned home. We had barely sat down when we received the saddest phone call of our lives. Looking back now, it feels so special. While Apache was performing Mauritius deed back home, he was doing almsgiving the same day at home, and I was doing exactly the same here. Neither of us knew what that day would bring. Perhaps it was one final reminder of the value of his entire life, teaching us generosity, compassion, and kindness. Even though we were 1,000 miles apart, those values connected us until the very end. The response to his passing showed us something we never fully realized while he was alive. We knew he was loved, but we didn't know how many lives he had touched. The funeral was attended countless people. Monks traveled long distance to pay their respect. Even today, people continue to visit. My mother seemed to share stories of the kindness he showed them. Every story reveals another life he changed. Every story reminds us extraordinary human being he was. Apache loved his wife, he loved his children, he loved his grandchildren, he loved his family, his village, his temple, and the people who were around him. So, Apache was no longer be physically with us, but he lives on his every flower that blooms, every act of kindness we perform, every meal we share with love. Thank you, Apache, for everything. Thank you for showing us how to love, how to give, how to live. May you attain the supreme bliss of Nibbana. May you journey onward, be peaceful. We love you. Thank you for coming and helping me to do this meritorious act. Thank you so much.
මුනි සමාහිතෝ නතේන ධම්මේන සමත්තිකින් චීදම්පි ධම්මේ රතනං පනිතං ඒතේන සච්චේන සුවත්ති හෝතු යම් බුද්ධ සෙට්ටෝ පරිවන්නයි සුචින් සමාධිමානං තරිකඤ්ඤ සමාධිනාතේන සමෝන විජ්ජති ඉදම්පි ධම්මේ රතනං පනිතං ඒතේන සුවත්ති හෝතු යේ පුක්ඛලාට්ඨ සතම්ප සත්තා චත්තාරි ඒතානි යුගානි යොන්ති තේ දක්ඛිනේයා සාවකායේ සුදින්නානි මහප්පලානි ඉදම්පි සංඝේ රතනං පනිතං ඒතේන සච්චේන සුවත්ති හෝතු